Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Latini. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some top touch lotion and a soap you can grab from the market, use on your skin to brighten your skin, to glow your skin, and to lighten your skin as well. Before then, know your skin type before buying this product from the market. Okay, so in today's video, I will be sharing my honest review on Effimax lotion and Nano soap. Okay, these are two products that I have tried myself and it has really worked for me, and I want to share my honest review to you guys. I've recommended it to people and they have loved the results so far, and I want to share the review with you guys. You know, Nano soap is one of the best lightening soap you can get from the market and use, and it's a soap that is formulated with carrot, papaya, kojic acid, citric acid, and other healthy ingredients. And the Effimax lotion, it's also a very good lightening lotion that nourishes the skin, that glows the skin, that brightens the skin, that makes the skin smooth and makes the skin soft as well. So in today's video, I'll share with you who is supposed to use this Effimax lotion and Nano soap, and I'll share with you the roles these two combinations play on the skin. I'll share with you how you can use this product perfectly to nourish and glow your skin, and I'll share with you some bad side effects when you don't use this two combo well. This Effimax lotion is recommended for normal skin, combination skin, dry skin, and sometimes oily skin people, but it's not recommended for sensitive skin people. And the Nano soap is recommended for all skin type. But then, if you are a sensitive skin person and you start reacting to the Nano soap whilst using it, the best advice I can give you is to stop using it. Okay, maybe your skin is reacting to it because of some of the ingredients that I use to formulate the soap. The roles these two products place on the skin is that, especially the Nano soap, it exfoliates the skin, it removes dirt on the skin, it brings out your natural glow, it lightens the skin, it brightens the skin, it makes the skin so soft, it makes the skin so smooth. And the Effimax lotion also lightens the skin, it brings out your natural glow, it nourishes the skin, it makes the skin soft, it makes the skin smooth, and it whitens the skin when you use it consistently. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to use the Effimax lotion and then the Nano soap. You know, the Nano soap is for bathing, which you are supposed to use it morning and evening. But then if you have a very dry skin, all you have to do is to add water to the Nano soap and apply it all over the skin for 15 minutes to exfoliate the skin and to remove dirt on the skin before going to the bathhouse. Okay, so the Nano soap will be used to bath morning and evening. You can use it to wash the face because it clears sunburn on the face and it clears spots on the face. But then sometimes if you have an oily face and you use the Nano soap direct on the face, you might react to the soap. So always make sure you use the soap on the face towel, add water to it, and use it to wash the face very well. Okay, and with the lotion, because it's a lightening lotion, I will always advise that you use it in the night. Okay, but then if you don't work under the sun, from the house to your car involves AC, from the car to office, you can use it. But if you are the type who works under the sun, you carry your products to sell under the sun, or you're an officer, you work under the sun, please don't use it during the daytime. You can use it at night. Okay, and make sure if you are a dry skin person, add enough oil to the Effimax lotion. Don't use the Effimax oil to the lotion and use if you are an oily skin. Okay, and moreover, if you are a normal skin person, you are a combination skin person, you are a dry skin person, you can use the Effimax oil with the lotion and use it only at night, because both oil and the lotion are lightening products, and a little bit of hydroquine experting the lotion. Like, don't use it during the daytime, use it only at night. All right. And these are some side effects. If you use the Effimax lotion and expose the skin under the sun, you end up having severe sunburn on the face. You end up having stretch marks. You end up having white dots on the skin, and you also end up having dark knuckles on the skin as well. But with the nano soap, you only react to itches, okay? And you react to some of the ingredients. Maybe some of the ingredients will irritate the skin for you, especially if you are a sensitive skin person. So if you want to glow your skin, you want to brighten your skin, you don't know which products to use on your skin, please know your skin type before choosing a product for your skin. So you can grab this Effimax lotion with this nano soap and apply on the skin, use on your skin to glow the skin as well. And moreover, when you are using this kind of product, be patient with your skin. Don't rush with it. Use it consistently, and trust me, you are going to love it. Use it the way I have explained it, and trust me, you are going to love the results. You are going to achieve a healthy skin glow. And always make sure that skin glow, glowing skin, healthy skin is all about your lifestyle. Okay, beautiful people, my name is Latini. If you are new here, this is a channel, a skincare channel, where we share reviews on all skincare products. We direct you on how to use your skincare product. We show you the best way to glow your skin. Okay, so I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification, so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be the first person to receive a notification from me. And to my return subscribers, thank you for coming, and I really appreciate you. See you in my next video. All I want